What is a linking verb? A linking verb is a verb that connects a subject to its complement. A complement can be a noun or an adjective. When a complement is a noun, it functions to rename a subject, as in the sentence, Ernest is the boss. As an adjective, it functions to describe the subject, as in the sentence, he is funny. Sometimes, Black English leaves out the linking verb. She rude. This is consistent with other languages, such as Russian and Turkish. And so-called Standard English, however, will want to include the linking verb, he is funny. While we're on the topic, it's worth pointing out that this is one of the most common sentence structures in English. Subject-verb or subject-verb complement. He ran. Subject-verb. He is funny. Subject-verb complement. In Latin languages, like Spanish and Italian, it is common practice to leave out the subject. In English, however, we always need to include it. Therefore, a sentence like es loco in Spanish becomes it's crazy in English. In Spanish, we could tell from prior sentences what was being referred to. In English, however, we must always specify the subject. There is a logical reason for this, which is that in English, many verb conjugations are alike. Take the infinitive to have, for example. I have, you have, she has, we have, you all have, they have. Without the subject, your audience would never know who or what you were talking about. Do you want your audience to know what you're talking about? Subscribe to Colburn Classroom and be on the lookout for new videos.